Today, I'm briefing you the functions and operations of Net Zero platform. There are several modules inside Net Zero. The first one is Overview. It shows the overall status of energy consumption and carbon emissions. The second one is Projects. It includes project and space management, device ledger, energy configuration, products, and device grouping. The third one is Energy. It includes the energy analysis of the whole project, or the energy analysis of specific building or space within that project. It also includes the energy saving suggestions and the detailed breakdown of the energy usage, and also the specific BMS systems, for example, aircon, elevator, lighting, and so on and so forth. This one is the event center. We can, based on our use case, to create the alarm rules, and we can view the event list and alarm notifications. This one is the carbon emission module. It includes the carbon models, emission plan, emission report, and also emission overview. This module is a scene center. We can set up the IoT automation scene here, and it will improve the operation efficiency. This module is the access tools. It includes the configuration diagram setup and also the floor plan management. The last one is the system configuration. It includes the role access right and the user management. We can switch different projects here. Fleet is the first function inside the overview. You can see the overall status of this project. For example, how many assets and the total electricity load. And you can also see the real-time status for the day. For example, total energy consumption and also carbon emission. Here you can see the energy consumption for both electricity and water. And you can also choose to show the data for today, this week, this month, or this year. Here is the energy consumption ranking for different buildings. This module is a project management module. We can create a new project here, and also we can view the project details here. For example, what's the project type? Is it an office building or anything else? And what's the time zone? Here is the space management. Here we can create a new space here, and we can also view the space details. Here you can see the space name, and also the location, and also the device belong to this space. Here is the device ledger. Here shows the device list for the whole project here. And you can also check the device details here. For example, the device ID, device name, device category, and also the installation location. Here is the energy configuration. We can configure the electricity price and also the water price here, and also can choose the carbon factor. And we can also configure the device topology here for electricity meter, water meter, and also gas meter. Here is the product management. This panel shows all the product category we support for this project. And the right side is the product list under this category. And we can also import a new product here. Here we can check the details of this product. For example, how many function points of this product. This is the device grouping. You can see all the device groups here. Here is the energy management. You can see the total electricity consumption here. And you can also see the electricity ranking here. Here is the electricity analysis for the energy consumption and also for the cost. Here is for water, and here is a 30 minutes diagram. This one shows the maximum electricity consumption for the day, and this is the maximum electricity consumption at night. Here is smart energy. Here it shows how much energy we saved by using the net zero platform. Here is a ranking list to show the energy saving ranking. Here is the energy usage suggestions. For example, we can accept or close this suggestion. And here we can see this suggestion is for user experience or is for energy saving. And this suggestion will expire after 1 hour. Here is also an energy usage forecast. Here is the energy-free footprint. You can see the detailed breakdown of the energy usage. Here is the aircon system. We can see all the devices here. And this is the supply and exhaust. This is the drainage. This is the elevator system. Yeah, this is the cooling. And here we have different mode. For example, the floor plan mode, configuration mode, and also the list mode. This is the configuration mode. So you can choose the preferred mode to show here. This one is the heat source. And this one is the lighting. For the lighting, we have the individual control and also group control and also the scene control. You can control the individual device here. For example, you can turn on, turn off the light and also adjust the brightness. Here you can also see the device log here. Here is the event center. This is the alarm rules. We can create the new rules here. And we can also view the details of the rules. For example, what's the belonging space and what's the alarm level and what's the trigger condition and what's the condition to clear this alarm. This is the event list to show all the list. This is the message center and this is the operation log. This is a carbon module. Here is the carbon models. We can create a different carbon models for different area. For example, this one for Singapore and this one for China. And here we can create the carbon plans. For example, here we can set up the start date, end date, and also the total carbon emission target here. And here shows the progress of the carbon emission. Here is the emission report. We can create the new report here. Then here is the overview. Here you can see the total carbon emission and also the total carbon reduction. Here is the analysis. This is the scene center. We can create the scene based on our use case to make it execute automatically to improve the operation efficiency. For example, this one, when we detect people coming, we will turn on both of the lights. This is the access tools. This is when we deliver the project or customer want to configure the system, they can use the access tools to set up the configuration and the floor plans. This is the conversion and this is the floor plan. Here is the system management. We can configure the system logo here, and we can also configure the role access right and also add in the new users. Here is the pop-ups. For example, here we have a pop-up for energy saving suggestion. Once we click this checkout, it will go to the energy usage suggestion panel. Then we can select to accept this suggestion. Here is the alarm center. It will show all the alarms here. And this one shows currently which account logged in. Thank you.